Adobe Creative Cloud Pro 20 Plus apps, 100 gigabyte storage and AI tools for ultimate creators. Feeling stuck in your creative workflow? Endless app juggling, slow software, or lost files can leave you frustrated and demotivated. Wasting hours switching between incompatible tools or struggling to meet deadlines drains your energy. Whether designing, editing photos, or producing videos, you deserve a seamless, powerful environment that sparks inspiration instead of adding chaos to your creative process. The stress of missed deadlines, blocked creativity, and inefficient workflows can be unbearable. Constant pressure to produce high-quality content, coupled with unreliable tools, creates frustration and burnout. Every project risks delay, every client presentation carries tension, and every idea could be lost in the shuffle. Your creative potential shouldn't be limited by software. It deserves a professional-grade ecosystem that keeps up with your imagination. Enter Adobe Creative Cloud Pro, the ultimate all-in-one suite for creators, designers, photographers, videographers, and businesses. With 20-plus industry-leading apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, InDesign, Lightroom, and Acrobat Pro, you have every tool to bring ideas to life. Integrated cloud storage of 100 gigabytes keeps your projects accessible across devices, while Creative Cloud libraries sync assets like colors, fonts, and graphics effortlessly. AI-powered Adobe Firefly boosts your workflow with generative image, vector, video, and audio features, giving you 4,000 monthly premium AI credits for cutting-edge content creation. Mini story: one user transformed a last-minute client campaign by editing photos in Photoshop, animating graphics in After Effects, and exporting directly via Premiere Pro, all within Creative Cloud, saving hours of frantic effort. The suite also includes Adobe Express, templates, Adobe fonts, Adobe Stock, Behance integration, and continuous updates, ensuring your toolkit evolves as fast as your ideas. Creative freedom, efficiency, and professional polish have never been this accessible. Adobe Creative Cloud Pro isn't just software, it's a productivity revolution. Streamline your workflow, sharpen focus, and create like never before. Industry experts call it the undisputed king of creative software, praising its seamless interoperability between Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. Influencers note the 100 gigabytes cloud storage makes multi-device work effortless, while users rave about AI features that cut hours from complex projects. A freelance designer shares, syncing my colors and assets across devices saves me countless hours every week. A videographer adds, editing footage in Premiere Pro and switching to After Effects for motion graphics is seamless. I can't imagine working without it. The suite's real-world impact is immense. From rapid photo retouching, vector design, 4K video production, PDF management, to social media content creation with Adobe Express, the tools empower you to achieve more, faster. Want stunning visuals in minutes? Use Firefly AI to generate or enhance content instantly. Curious why thousands of professionals swear by it? With hundreds of thousands of templates, millions of fonts, continuous updates, Behance portfolio integration, and cross-platform access on PC and Mac, Creative Cloud Pro provides the ultimate creative ecosystem, turning ambitious ideas into polished, professional reality without compromise. Don't settle for creative limits. Adobe Creative Cloud Pro gives you 20-plus apps, AI-powered tools, 100 gigabytes cloud storage, and seamless workflow across devices. Limited subscriptions available. Secure yours today and join thousands of creators already transforming their projects. From Photoshop to Premiere Pro, Firefly AI to Adobe Express, your creative potential is unlocked. Act now, enhance your productivity, and bring every idea to life with professional-grade tools trusted by experts, influencers, and industry leaders worldwide. Don't wait, create without limits.